In question number 32, integral 0 to I x tan x upon sec x plus tan x and dx. So, in place of tan x and sec x, right, in place of tan x, write sin upon cos and sec x, which is 1 upon cos. So, when we take LCM which is cos x, so this cos x is cancelled out, only x sin x and 1 plus sin x remaining. Now, apply property number 4 here. And I think this question, which is question number 12 in exercise 7.11, question number 12, and this question which is approximately same. So use property number 4 here. In place of x, write pi minus x, and here also pi minus x, and here also pi minus x. Since sin 180 minus theta, which is only sin x, so here also 1 plus sin x. Now adding 1 into equation number 1 plus 2, so I plus I, that is 2i, integral 0 to pi, and since denominator which is same, so 1 plus sin x right here, and numerator of equation number 1 which is x sin x, this one, and numerator of second equation which is pi minus x and sin x. So open this bracket, so pi sin x minus x sin x, pi sin x minus x sin x. So x sin x, it will be cancelled out, only pi sin x remaining, and since pi which is constant, so write outside the integral. So 2i which is 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus sin x, and also rationalize the denominator, it means multiply and divided by 1 minus sin x, and these two transfer into right side. So integral I, which is pi by 2, 0 to pi, integral 0 to pi, and in denominator it is 1 minus sin square x, and open this bracket, so sin x into 1, it means sin x, and sin into sin, that is sin x square. 1 minus sin square, that is cos square, and in next step sin x and sin square both divided by this cos square. See there, 1 minus sin square, that is cos square, and sin x also divided by cos square, and sin square also divided by cos square. So sin square upon cos square, which is tan square, and sin upon 1 cos, which is tan x, and other cos 1 by cos, that is sec x. Now integral of sec x into tan x, which is only sec x, but integral of tan square we don't know, so in place of tan square write sec square x minus 1. Now take its integral. So integral of sec x into tan x, which is only sec x, and integral of sec square x, which is tan x. Now minus minus plus, and integral of 1, that is x, and limit 0 to pi. Now raise upper limit minus lower limit. This pi by 2 as it is, so sec pi minus tan pi plus pi, this one minus. After that write 0. So sec 0 minus tan 0 and plus 0. Since cos 180 which is minus 1, so sec 180 also minus 1. Tan 180 which is 0, pi remain as it is minus. Sec 0, cos 0 is 1, so sec 0 also 1, tan 0 and plus 0, tan 0 which is also 0. So when we open the bracket, it will be minus 1, so pi minus 2. So integral I, pi by 2 in the bracket, pi minus 2, this is the answer. Okay, see, next question, question number 33. Integral 1 to 4 mod of x minus 1, mod of x minus 2, and mod of x minus 3. So here limit is 1 to 4, since mod of x minus 1, which is 0 at x is equal to 1. So if x is greater than to 1, then it will be positive. So open this mod, from 1 to 4 it will be positive. But in this case, here at x is equal to 2, function is 0. So if it is less than to 2, it will be negative. So open this mod and break the limit 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. So 1 to 2 and this is 2 to 4. In 1 to 2, in this interval, this mod which is negative, it means minus x minus 2, and from 2 to 4 it will be positive, so write plus, and this is x minus 2. Same as here, mod of x minus 3, it will be 0 at x is equal to 3, so break the limit from 1 to 3 and 3 to 4. 1 to 3 and 3 to 4. In 1 to 3 it is negative, and 3 to 4 it is positive. Now take its integral. So integral of x, which is x square by 2, and integral of 1, which is only x, and limit 1 to 4, plus minus minus. Now take integral of x, which is once again x square by 2 and integral of 2 which is minus 2x and limit 1 to 2. This is plus sign. Once again integral of x, that is x square by 2 and integral of 2 which is 2x and limit 2 to 4, plus minus minus. Once again integral of x, that is x square by 2 and 3, it means 3x and limit is 1 to 3, and here same as this and limit is 3 to 4. Now raise the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So be very careful here. Upper limit 4, so 4 square 16, 16 by 2 it means 8, and after that this is minus 4, minus lower limit 1, so 1 square that is 1, so 1 by 2 minus 1, after that this minus sign. Here write 2, so 2 square it means 4, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 it means only 2, and here 2 into 2 minus 4, after that minus sign. Lower limit it means 1, so 1 square it means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and here 2 into 1 that is 2. Now this is the plus sign. Upper limit 4, so 4 square it means 16, 16 by 2 which is 8, and when you write 4 here, so 2 into 4 that is 8, so plus 8 and minus 8 cancel out, minus lower limit which is 2, so 2 square that is 4, 4 by 2 it means only 2, minus 2 into 2 4. After that here this is the minus sign. 3, so 3 square that is 9, so 9 by 2, after that 3 into 3 minus 9, and minus lower limit which is 1, so 1 by 2 minus 3, plus once again 4, so 4 square which is 16 by 2, 16 by 2 that is 8, and 4 into 3 minus 12, minus right 3, so 3 square that is 9 by 2 and 3 into 3 9. 8 minus 4 that is 4, and when we open the bracket minus 1 by 2 and it will be minus minus plus. Now in second bracket 2 minus 4 it means minus 2, and open this bracket minus 1 by 2 and minus minus plus 2, so plus 2 and minus 2 it will be cancel out. Here 8 already cancel out, so 2 minus 4 it means minus 2, so it will be minus minus plus 2. This is the minus sign. Now open this bracket, 9 by 2 minus 9 and minus 1 by 2 and minus minus plus 3, plus 8 minus 12, 8 minus 12 it means minus 4, and when we open this bracket minus 9 by 2 and minus minus plus 9. Okay, 4 plus 1 it means 5 and minus 1 by 2 as it is. Here this is minus 1 by 2, so open this bracket, so minus minus plus 1 by 2 it will be cancelled out. After that this 2, open this bracket, so minus 9 by 2 and minus 9 and plus 3 it means minus 6. When we open this bracket you will get plus 6, and after that this it will be plus 1 by 2. Plus minus 9 and minus 4 it means plus 5, and after that this 9 by 2. Okay, first add all integers. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 6 18, this is 18. After that, since minus 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 and 1 by 2, so 9 and 9 18, 18 and this is plus 1, so minus 18 and plus 1 it means minus 17 by 2, so 2 is LCM, 18 into 36, and 36 minus 17, our answer is 19 by 2. Okay, next question number 34. In question number 34 we have to prove integral 1 to 3 1 upon x square in the bracket x plus 1 and dx which is equal to 2 by 3 plus log 2 by 3. So it's clearly see here, this is partial fraction, 1 upon x square in the bracket x plus 1. So write a upon x plus b upon x square plus c upon x plus 1 and give equation number second. The LCM of x square and x plus 1 which is same as this x square and x plus 1. So when this LCM divided by x you will get x and x plus 1. So a into x and x plus 1. Now b into, when this LCM divided by x square you will get only x plus 1. So b into x plus 1, and since LCM which is like as this x square and x plus 1, so when it is divided by this x plus 1 you will get only x square, so c into x square. Now put x equal to 0. When you put x is equal to 0, so left hand side we have only 1, first term it will be 0 and last term it will be 0. When you write 0 here, you will get only b. So b is equal to 1. Put x is equal to -1, so this bracket equal to 0. 1 still as it is. First bracket 0, first term 0 and second term also 0. When you write -1 here, so -1 whole square, it will be +1. So once again c is equal to 1. Now compare the coefficient of x square, since x into x square. So on left side there is no term such x square, so coefficient of x square it will be 0. And here a into x square, so coefficient is a, and in second term there is no term of x square, so leave it. And here coefficient of x square, which is c, so a plus c, that is 0, and c is 1, so a, that is -1. So in equation number 1, by using 2, this is our equation number 1, that is LHS, integral 1 to 3 a it means -1, so -1 by x, this one. B that is 1, b and c both are 1, so 1 by x square and 1 upon x plus 1. Now minus sign as it is 1 by x, so its integral is log x, and since here x to the power -2, so in integral add 1, power is increased by 1, so x to the power -2 plus 1 and divided by same power, it means -2 plus 1, and its integral, which is also log of x plus 1, because differential of denominator which present in numerator. Now by logarithm rules, it is log m minus log n, so m it means x plus 1 upon x, and -2 plus 1 it means x to the power -1, so -1 here, and x to the power -1, so it will be 1 by x. Now raise the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So if you write 3 here, so 3 plus 1 4 by 3, log 4 by 3, see there, log 4 by 3 minus, when we write 1 here, so 1 plus 1 2 by 1, it means log 2 by 1 minus here minus sign is outside, so when we write 3, so 1 by 3 minus 1 by 1. Once again here by logarithm rules, 4 by 3 divided by this 2, so and here when we take LCM, 3 is LCM, so 1 minus 3, that is -2 by 3, and 4 by 3 as it is, and 2 by 1 it will be reciprocal, so you will get 1 by 2, 2 and 4 cancel out, so log 2 by 3, and minus plus, it is also 2 by 3. This is RHS. Next question number 35, which is very small question. Integral 0 to 1 x and e to the power x. So here x is first function and e to the power, which is second. So use integration by parts here. First function as it is, integral of second minus differential of first and integral of second, and once again the integral of whole thing, and our limit, which is 0 to 1. Now integral of e to the power x, which is once again e to the power x. Now raise the limit. In place of x, write 1, so 1 into e to the power 1 minus e to the power 1, so both will be cancelled out, minus lower limit 0, so 0 into e to the power 0, which is only 0, and minus here write 0, and e to the power 0, which is 1, so this will be cancelled out, this is the minus sign, 0 and -1, so minus plus. Okay, let's see next question, question number 36. -1 to +1 x to the power 17 and cos to the power 4x and dx, and our target is 0. So -1 to +1 and target which is 0, so see if it is even odd function, then the integral it will be 0. So here function fx is x to the power 17 cos to the power 4, and in place of x, if you write suppose minus x, then minus x whole raised to the power 17 and cos to the power 4 minus x. Since cos of minus theta, which is already positive, so there is no problem, but this is power is 17, which is odd, so you will get minus sign here, minus x to the power 17 cos to the power 4x, which is minus f of x. So since f of minus x, which is equal to minus f of x, so function is odd function, and when it is odd function, then integral minus a to plus a fx and dx, it will be 0. This is property number 7, and here fx is here a, which is -1 to +1, so x to the power 17 cos to the power 4x and dx, it will be 0. One more question, question number 37. Here in this question we have to prove integral 0 to pi by 2 sine cube dx, that is 2 by 3. So take LHS. In place of sine cube write sin square x into sin x, and in place of sin square write 1 minus cos x, and if you put cos x is equal to t, then this sin x and dx it will be converted into dt. That's here. Cos x is equal to t, then its differential minus sin x and dx, that side dt, minus and transparent to right side, so sin x dx which is minus dt. Also change its limit. When x equal to 0, then put 0 here, cos 0 which is 1, so t is equal to 1. Now put x is equal to pi by 2. So cos 90 which is 0, so x is equal to pi by 2, then t is 0. So new limit 1 to 0, 1 to 0, and this is the minus sign. Now 1 minus t square, 1 minus t square, and sin x and dx which is minus dt, so minus here and dt here. Now its integral of 1, that is t, and integral of t square which is minus t cube divided by 3, and limit which is 1 to 0. Now raise the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So when you write upper limit which is 0, so 0 and 0, what term it will be 0, minus lower limit 1, so 1 and 1 cube, that is 1, so 1 minus 1 by 3. So minus minus plus, and when we take LCM, LCM is 3, so 3 minus 1, that is 2, so you will get 2 by 3 here. This is the answer. Next question, question number 38. Integral I 0 to pi by 4 2 times tan cube x and dx, and target which is 1 minus log 2. So in place of tan cube write tan square x into tan x, and in place of tan square write sec square x minus 1, and open this bracket. So here you will get sec square x into tan x and minus 1 into tan x, and in next step separate the integral. So 2 times 0 to pi by 4, first write tan x into sec square x and dx, after that minus sign, once again this 2, 0 to pi by 4 and only tan x. In first integral put tan x is equal to t, so sec square x in dx it will be converted into dt, and also change the limit. When x is equal to 0, so tan 0 which is 0, so t is 0, and when you write x is equal to pi by 4, tan 45 which is 1, so t is equal to 1, so new limit 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and this is only t. And integral of tan x, since tan it means sine upon cos, so differential of cos which is minus sin x, so integral of tan x which is minus log cos x, so minus minus plus this 2 as it is, and log cos x, and 0 to pi by 4. Here integral of t which is t square by 2, and limit which is 0 to 1, and here rise the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit which is cos 45, log cos 45, and minus log cos 0. Here if you write upper limit minus lower limit, so in place of t write 1, so 1 by 2 minus 0, and 2 and 2 cancel out, only 1 remaining here, and cos 45 which is 1 by root 2, and cos 0 which is 1, and log 1, that is 0. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 it means 2 to the power minus 1 by 2, so this power minus 1 by 2 comes here, so it will be plus minus minus, so see there 1 and minus 2 into this power 1 by 2 and log 2, so 2 and 2 cancel out, only 1 minus log 2 remaining. This is our RHS. 39. Integral I 0 to 1 sin inverse x and dx, and target is pi by 2 minus 1. So take 1 as the second function here, so sin inverse x which is first, and 1 that is second, so use integration by parts here. First function as it is, integral of second which is x, minus differential of first which is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and integral of second, that is x. Now in first part, in first term write the limit 0 to 1, and here in second part it is x upon under root 1 minus x square, so limit right here 0 to 1, and in second part it means in this integral put under root only 1 minus x square, that is t, its differential minus 2x and dx and dt, and this minus 2 transferred into right side, so you will get x dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 and dt. Also change its limit. When x equal to 0, write 0 here, so 1 minus 0 it means only 1, t is equal to 1, this one, and when you put x is equal to 1 here, so 1 minus 1, 0, so t is equal to 0, so new limit which is 1 to 0. So here in first term, if you write the limit 1 and upper limit minus lower limit that is 0, so it will be 0. So only raise upper limit, it means 1 and sin inverse 1, and lower limit that is 0. Now it is minus sign and this is also minus, so minus minus plus, and this is 1 by 2 here, and limit which is 1 to 0, and it is only 1 by root t and dt. Now take its integral. 1 by root t, it means t to the power minus 1 by 2. So power is increased by 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and also divided by this power, it means minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and minus 1 by 2 plus 1, it means only 1 by 2 remaining. So this 1 by 2 is cancelled out. When we raise the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, so 0, and when we write 1, so 0 minus 1, so you will get your answer pi by 2 minus 1. And the next question, question number 40, which is as a limit of sum, which is removed from your course, and after that there are few MCQs. So please try all these MCQs, and this is chapter 7, which is over from my side. Okay, thank you guys.